I can't lie, I've definitely indulged in my share of energy drinks. But before you reach for that quick fix of caffeine, there are a few things you should know. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are a few energy drink facts. Know how much caffeine you're taking in. Medical experts say adults can consume about 400 milligrams of caffeine a day, so we're talking about a couple of 8-ounce coffees. But a lot of energy drinks have high levels of caffeine in just a few ounces. In this one tiny energy can I picked up, it says it contains 300 milligrams of total caffeine. The can is smaller than my hand. Not to mention the can says, warning, never exceed 1 can daily. Aside from the FDA looking into numerous cases filed for problems caused by energy drinks, the American Academy of Pediatrics says caffeine can produce harmful health effects in adolescents, including cardiovascular problems, anxiety, and insomnia, among others. So parents, monitor teens. Studies show mixing energy drinks with alcohol can be even more hazardous, causing severe dehydration, and can make you feel less drunk than you actually are, leading to alcohol poisoning. I'm not saying all energy drinks are bad, but monitor your consumption. The combination of these chemicals can affect everyone differently. So do your research before you buy into the hype. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.